optimization which is happening across the company. You are seeing this, right? Cost optimization is happening with the company. So your name is part of that list. If you can put on the papers, we'll be treating it as a normal exit with 15th June as the last working day. If not, we will be sending you a termination letter. And don't expect any other benefits from the company, including your experience letters, nor the basic salary of the answer notice period.
Madam,
Okay?
see, madam, what's your name, madam? Her name?
Gunda Sri Teja, your VHR.
See, Sitaja, madam, see, at least they should give me at least till this week, no, I can consider and I will put the exit. But unfortunately,
We cannot give that much time. That is the reason only we are calling up the associates and we are communicating the information.
But what is this, madam? How is it possible for me? Within a day, within a minute, and you are asking me to give the exit
By
formality.
end of the day, we are asking you to put down the papers, not
Yes, madam.
we cannot treat it as a normal exit.
See, I'll tell you, madam. At the end of the day, you told me to put on the exit letter. Okay.
Yes.
Till present, since last 3.5 years, I was in not at all bench and all, everything and all.
That is what I'm telling you. This is not about your business weight or something. This is of a cost optimization which is happening across the company. You are seeing the news and everything, right?
I'm seeing the
Cost
news and everything, madam.
cost
But the idea is that there
optimization
is one
happening.
thing, madam. There is one thing called at least sometime as a human beings. How can we sustain within a day or two?
Sir, listen. This is not my. I'm not authorized to just give you extension or something. This is through the cost.
To whom I need to approach? Tell me then, at least. To whom?
Nobody you can approach. This is a corporate decision. There is no further change in this.
Madam, madam, see, nobody, it's not correct, madam. See, at least instead of giving me some chance to approach to somebody, so that I can talk to them.
See, this is from the final authority. You got it from the corporate office itself. You got it. What else you wanted? To whom you wanted to go? Beyond the company CEO and CPO, is there anybody? Do you feel so?
Madam, beyond CEO or CPO, whatever it is, madam, at least if you should have given me chance for explanation, at least. That's what my point is.
The things that I have clearly mentioned you, cause as per the cost optimization thing, we are initiating your exit formalities and I'm giving you time till tomorrow 10 a.m. If you fail to put on the papers, we will be sending you a termination letter. Okay?
Madam, what, madam? I'm not at all getting it, madam. That's what very.
Sir, this is as per your offer letter. Company preserves all the rights to talk to the associate to leave the company at any moment by paying them the answered basic salary. If you can just read your offer letter, it was clearly mentioned that as per that offer letter clause only we are speaking you to leave.
But obviously, madam, you're telling that you are asking.
It was mentioned in the offer letter, sir. Then why did you accept the offer letter? Why did you sign each and every page of the offer letter then? It was clearly mentioned company preserves all the rights whenever the company wishes to let the associate go at any moment by paying answered notice period basic salary, they can ask the associate to leave. As per that only I am talking.
As per that only you're talking, madam. But there is some consideration. I'm just telling that tomorrow 10 a.m. is. How can we go for any other company?
Beyond that we cannot give because we have to update the corporate team also. Otherwise, beyond 10 a.m. if they pull the report in the tool, if your exit was not there in the tool, by themselves they will send you a termination letter. If that is fine with you, I don't have a problem.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's fine, madam. There is, madam, you should have given him one chance.
Till tomorrow.
When did you call me last time, madam? When did you, madam, when did you call me the last time? Now only you're telling. You're not giving me even 24 hours.
That's what I'm telling you. As per the corporate decision, we are intimating all the associates as soon as we receive the update. For your case, we have received the update today. We have updated you. If you can put on your papers by today, end of the day, or tomorrow by 10 a.m., we will be treating it as a normal exit. Beyond that, I cannot be of any help. In case if you are getting a termination letter also, please don't question me because I am not the final authority who is issuing the letter. It is through corporate office you are
madam,
getting the
letter. Madam, we need to have a discussion at least. I need to
there
put
is
my
no
profile, madam.
Sir, there is no as such flexibility for further discussion or something. This is not about a bench case or something. This is a cost optimization thing. We have intimated your business leaders also on this, and then only we are coming to the associates on this. Okay?
Madam, business leaders. My Lord, madam, what can I do, madam? Now tell me, suddenly I cannot go to my hometown also, no? You understood the issues and all regarding this, madam.
I understand, but nothing is in my hand. It's from straight away from the corporate office. They told to close the last working day as 15th June. To close the formalities, we need more than 24 hours in the tool. If you fail to put on the papers by tomorrow morning, we cannot be of any help.
Madam, 24 hours means now you are calling. 24 hours at least, but
today we got the update. Can you understand? Today we got the update.
Madam,
as per that
I
only
am
we are talking
understanding,
to
but
you.
what time you informed me? That's the important for me. You got the update at 10 o'clock.
That is what I am telling you. Company preserves all the rights to ask the associate to leave any moment. I can ask you to leave by today, end of the day also. As per your offer letter which you have accepted when you joined Tech Mahindra. It's on Thursday. Your last working day will be Thursday. If you can put on your papers, it would be a normal exit. If you don't put on the papers, it would be a termination.
Madam,
it's very
please,
clear.
Madam, what is this, madam? Yes,
Sir, nothing is in my hands. What would I do? Nothing is in anybody's hands now. Your business leaders are also aware of the case. Okay? Subramanian Varahur and Atul Varshini are aware of the case also. Okay?
Subramanian Rahul and Atul Varshini?
Yes.
My God. That's very unfortunate, madam. I was giving billing constantly for the last 3.5 years. I don't know how
That's what I'm
cost
telling. It's not about business weight. It's not about business weight. It's about cost factor, cost optimization. Okay? Thank you.
I don't understand.